Welcome to ScanSearch, the quickest and easiest way to securely store and retrieve scanned documents online. I'm going to give you a quick demo today of how to use our software. I'm going to start by logging in with my demo account, enter the username and password, and click Sign In. To begin, I'm going to upload a couple of documents. In the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to click the Upload link. Then I'm going to select the department. In this case, I'm going to upload directly to the Human Resources department. Then click the Browse button. Going to navigate to my HR document, employment verification form, and then you click Open. Then click Upload. I'm going to upload some more documents and I'll click the Upload button again. This time we're going to upload some accounts payable invoices. From the department dropdown, we're going to see Select AP, then navigate to My Invoices. I can select multiple invoices and click Open, and then Upload. In the background, ScanSearch has indexed and extracted all the text off of these documents. So now I can begin searching for them. Now I'm going to search for an HR document with the keyword Smith and verification. I'm going to look for something in the past month. So I'm going to select the lower date of a month ago and then the upper date of today. Click Search to find the document. I can click the document to get a closer look at it. From here, I can click Download, which allows me to download the original document that I uploaded earlier. I can also search my dollar amounts. So in this case, I'm searching by the salary of employee. Then I can also search for accounts payable, invoices as well, and try to find some sort of common keyword between multiple documents. In this case, I'm going to look for any invoices where we purchased a camera. Again, I can click on the document to get a closer look at it, and if I have the authority to do so, I can also delete the document. Now I'm going to look at some of the super user features. Here under Departments, I can create different departments, which are containers for our documents. In this case, I'm going to create a new department called Customer Service, and then I'm going to click this checkbox to make this department active, which means I'm now able to upload to it. Now I'm going to create another user as well. This user is going to be primarily a customer service user, so I click the Add button, put a first name and last name, and then an email address, which will be the user's login and optional phone number, which can be used for two-factor authentication. By default, the user account is active. Then I can assign my own password if I want, or I can click Assign Password to have a cryptic password assigned to this user. I can enable or disable two-factor authentication to either their email or their text message. If I wanted to, I could assign them a super user role, which would allow them to create users as well. In this case, there are customer service reps, so I'm going to give them access to the AP documents and customer service documents, but not human resource documents because they're sensitive. I'm also not going to allow this user to delete any documents, so I'm going to save all my settings. I click Save, and this user will be created. Now I'm going to log in as that user. And you'll see I don't have super user features because I didn't enable that for this user. I only have access to accounts payable and customer service documents, not human resources. And I can access only those documents in our system. So, under Account, I can change my password so I can manage that myself. So if I don't like the assigned password, I can create my own, and then click Save. And I can also, of course, log off when I'm done using the system. And that's it. As you can see, it's incredibly quick and easy to use, and you can be up and running in just minutes. Test drive it yourself for free today with no credit card needed at ScanSearch.com.